Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're gonna cook a New York inspired hot dog. The keyword is inspired, so please don't get angry at me in the comments if you're a New Yorker. This hot dog has bacon, beautiful caramelized onions with tomato paste, and no ketchup. To start, slice one onion. Next, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Eat charcoal. Place a cast iron pan over the charcoal. Place slices of bacon into the pan. Cook until they're nice and crispy. Remove from the pan and let them cool before chopping into small pieces. Next, move the pan off the direct charcoal. The pan is really nice and hot, and the way we want to cook these onions is to be hot at the start and for the heat to slowly ease as we cook them. Next, add some butter to the pan, then the sliced onions. Let them begin to cook, and once they've started to become translucent, add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Quickly mix it into the onions. Cook the onions until they start to become soft and sticky. To add extra flavor, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook for a couple more minutes until the onions have caramelized and are soft but still hold their shape. Remove the onions from the pan. Place your hot dogs on the grill and cover with a lid. This should take about 10 minutes. Don't forget to toast your buns. All that's left to do is to serve it up. Place the hot dogs in the buns and top with the bacon. Followed by those beautiful caramelized onions, and finish it off with some yellow mustard. There you have it, my New York inspired hot dog. This hot dog has a great combination of flavors, and the onions with the tomato paste takes it to the next level. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.